Yay! Very fast and nice. Front, which side is a better zoom? For this beauty in the air. Always a pleasure to fly. Wait, later Baba will show you. Now Baba is flying, okay? From front side should be a better zoom, right? This side. Beautiful tracking, nice, responsive, very responsive to the sticks, and simply amazingly stable. Beautiful glider as well. Later Baba will show you. See, now Baba is flying, right? Wait, Arish, one will give. Let Baba land then, okay? Let's try to land it and see if we can get a smooth landing or not. Here it comes for landing. Smooth, baby. I cannot do any more smoother landing than this. Okay, Baba is not coming here. Hold on.